Hello, welcome to this new video. This time, we're going to connect an electronic scale with the EPOS Now point-of-sale software. For this video, we are going to use this Chinese Roki brand scale, which has a USB serial port and a maximum capacity of 30 kilograms. Before this video, we installed the driver on our PC. The configuration indicates the physical input port for our scale. Also, we'll verify that the output is set to EPOS US 6700 and the port out is COM10. This configuration is necessary for the EPOS to be able to read our scale. Once this configuration is complete, we can use our scale. At the top of the screen, we'll see the weight on our scale at all times. In this case, we see that the weight is 0.305 kilograms, which indicates that our scale is ready to use. The next step is to open our EPOS Now to verify our peripherals configuration. We log in and then go to the configuration module to configure the scale as a peripheral. We look for the peripheral section and then click on device configuration. We select the scale option and then verify that the scale model and communication port are the same as those defined in the driver. Once we verify that the port is COM10, we can perform a communication test with our scale. This test allows us to verify that the EPOS Now point of sale can read our scale thanks to the PVCOM driver. With this driver, we can connect more than 150 different scale brands around the world, thus preventing any scale model from becoming obsolete or incompatible with the EPOS Now point of sale. Okay, now we're going to parameterize the unit of measurement. To do this, we'll indicate in the driver that we want the unit of measurement to be grams. Once this change is made, we will see in our upper viewer that the unit of measurement is now grams, and we will also be able to run a test at the point of sale to validate that the unit of measurement is now correct. Once we've completed this validation, we can click Save to close this section. The next step is to go to our back office. From here, we'll check that our location or point of sale has the scale function enabled. If this option isn't enabled, you should try activating it or contact EPOS Now technical support. So, to validate that our locations have the scale option activated, we will click on Location and then on Show Devices. We can edit our location and confirm that the scale option is active. Without this option active, our point of sale won't be enabled to read our scale. If you need help with this part, please contact the support chat. Well, we've completed everything we need to use the scale. In sales mode, we register our product, and the system will automatically calculate the price to pay. Some customers ask us how to create a product. For this, go to Back Office, then click Manage and Create Product button on top right. For this sample, we are going to create sugar product. So, complete name as sugar. The name and description can be the same. The product kind must be weight product, and units must be same as before. The price to buy and sell can be set up for 1000 G or by 1 kilogram. With this price, EPOS Now calculate the total price once you are in POS modulo mode. It is very important to define as prices by kilograms or grams to calculate it correct. So if you define PVCOM drive as kilogram units or grams units, this product form must be the same. For this example, the purchase price will be defined at 120 pesos for 1 kilogram, and the sale price will be 165 pesos for 1 kilogram. Some customers using EPOS Now may not want to define a purchase price to avoid filling out so many fields in this form, but the buy and sell option helps calculate a profit margin, and this will be reflected in the daily sales. In this form, you can also adjust taxes and define whether you want to associate this product with other existing products. All of these options can be modified after the product is created in case an update is necessary. For this video, we won't be explaining these accounting or financial sections. If you have questions about this product form, please watch our video on how to create a product. So we continue with the form until the inventory section. Here we will define the current inventory quantity of our product. For this example, we'll enter 68 kilograms and 515 grams. Once we're finished, we'll click the Save button. That's it. We've now created our product that will be sold via the scale. If we need to update any field, we can click Update to quickly modify the field we want to adjust. For example, we can quickly change the category without having to enter the entire form again. With just a couple of clicks, the field we want to update will be ready. So, returning to the sales module, sometimes we want to add products that aren't registered, such as a bag or a delivery service. To do this, we click the Add button and enter the description and price. This process will add products to the shopping list. It's important that every time a new line is added, the description is defined in detail so our customers know what they're paying for. So now, let's add delivery price in our ticket. Remember, this is just a sample, and not all countries works as the same. On the other hand, some customers don't want to take some of the registered products, so we can delete them before completing the sale by clicking the product and then the delete button. You can also search for paused orders and resume them by pressing the order button in the top right corner. And well, we've reached the end of this video. If you're wondering which scale models are compatible, you can visit the official driver website. There are more than 200 scale models that you can use with EPOS Now thanks to the PVCOM integration software. Before this video ends, we want to thank you for watching. Also, if you have any questions or concerns about the process, we invite you to leave them in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. If you know someone who's having trouble with their EPOS Now point of sale scale, don't hesitate to share their information with us. We'd be happy to provide support. Once again, thank you for watching our video and have a great day.